Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about the power of goal setting and how it can help you achieve your dreams. The law of goal setting is a simple but powerful concept that can transform your life if you put it into practice. First, let's define what we mean by goals. Goals are the things that you want to achieve in your life, whether they are personal, professional, or spiritual. They can be short-term or long-term, big or small, but they all have one thing in common: they are things that you want to achieve. The law of goal setting states that if you want to achieve something in your life, you need to set a clear and specific goal. Without a goal, you are like a ship without a destination. You may be moving, but you don't know where you're going or why you're going there. A goal gives you direction and purpose. It helps you focus your energy and resources on achieving something that is important to you. But setting a goal is not enough. You also need to make a plan for achieving that goal. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Your plan should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is often referred to as the SMART goal-setting framework. By following this framework, you will create a plan that is realistic and achievable, which will increase your chances of success. Now, some of you may be thinking, but I don't know what my goals are. That's okay. Many people struggle with this. The first step in setting goals is to identify what is important to you. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve in my life? What is my purpose? What gives me meaning and fulfillment? Once you have a clear understanding of what is important to you, you can begin to set goals that align with your values and aspirations. It's also important to remember that goals can change over time. You may set a goal today and find that it no longer resonates with you tomorrow. That's okay. Life is a journey, and your goals will evolve as you evolve. The important thing is to stay true to yourself and your values, and to keep setting new goals that challenge and inspire you. Now, let's talk about why the law of goal setting is so powerful. There are several reasons why goal setting is so effective in helping people achieve their dreams. First, goal setting gives you focus. When you have a clear and specific goal, you know exactly what you need to do to achieve it. This helps you avoid distractions and stay focused on what's important. Second, goal setting gives you motivation. When you set a goal, you create a vision of the future that you want to create. This vision can be a powerful motivator that drives you to take action and overcome obstacles. Third, goal setting gives you a sense of accomplishment. When you achieve a goal, you feel a sense of pride and satisfaction that comes from knowing that you worked hard and accomplished something that was important to you. Fourth, goal setting helps you grow and develop. When you set goals, you challenge yourself to learn new skills, develop new habits, and overcome your limitations. This process of growth and development is essential for personal and professional success. Finally, goal setting helps you create a meaningful and fulfilling life. When you set goals that align with your values and aspirations, you create a life that is purposeful and meaningful. This is the key to living a happy and fulfilling life. So, how can you apply the law of goal setting in your life? Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Identify what is important to you. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve in my life? What is my purpose? 2. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Use the SMART goal-setting framework to create goals that are realistic and achievable. 3. Write down your goals. This will help you clarify your vision and stay focused on what's important. 4. Create a plan for achieving your goals. Break your goals down into smaller, manageable steps and create a timeline for completing each step. 5. Track your progress. Regularly review your goals and your progress towards achieving them. Celebrate your successes and make adjustments as needed. 6. Stay motivated. Keep your goals in mind and stay focused on your vision of the future. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. 7. Learn from your failures. Don't be afraid to fail. Use your failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Remember, the law of goal setting is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams. By setting clear and specific goals, creating a plan for achieving them, and staying focused on what's important, you can create a meaningful and fulfilling life. So, go out there and set some goals, and remember that anything is possible if you believe in yourself and work hard to achieve your dreams. If you're interested in learning more about goal setting, there are many great resources available that can help you dive deeper into the topic. Here are a few references to get you started. The Magic of Thinking Big by David J. Schwartz. This classic self-help book is a great resource for anyone looking to achieve their goals. It includes practical advice on goal setting, visualization, and developing a positive mindset. Getting Things Done by David Allen. This book is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their productivity and achieve their goals. It provides a step-by-step process for organizing your tasks and projects, which can help you stay focused and achieve your goals more efficiently. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. This best-selling book provides a framework for personal and professional success. It includes practical advice on goal setting, time management, and developing effective habits that can help you achieve your goals. The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. This book explores the science behind habits and how they can be used to achieve your goals. It provides practical advice on how to develop new habits and break old ones, which can help you stay focused and achieve your goals more effectively. Goals. How to Get Everything You Want, Faster Than You Ever Thought Possible by Brian Tracy. This book provides practical advice on goal setting, time management, and personal development. It includes step-by-step instructions for setting and achieving your goals, as well as motivational stories and examples. Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book explores the power of small habits and how they can compound over time to help you achieve your goals. It provides practical advice on how to develop good habits and break bad ones, which can help you stay focused and achieve your goals more effectively. These are just a few of the many resources available on goal setting. Whether you prefer books, podcasts, or online courses, there are many great options available to help you achieve your goals and create the life you want. Here are some additional tips that viewers can use to make goal setting more effective. Make your goals specific and measurable. When setting goals, be as specific as possible about what you want to achieve and make sure you can measure your progress. For example, instead of setting a goal to get in shape, set a goal to lose 10 pounds in the next 3 months. Set realistic goals. While it's important to aim high, it's also important to set goals that are achievable. Setting goals that are too difficult or unrealistic can lead to frustration and disappointment. Break your goals down into smaller steps. Achieving big goals can be overwhelming, so it's helpful to break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This can make the process feel less daunting and help you stay focused on your progress. Create a timeline for achieving your goals. Setting a deadline for achieving your goals can help keep you on track and motivate you to take action. Be sure to set realistic deadlines that give you enough time to achieve your goals without feeling overwhelmed. Hold yourself accountable. It's important to take responsibility for achieving your goals. Hold yourself accountable by tracking your progress, seeking feedback from others, and adjusting your approach as needed. Celebrate your successes. Celebrating your successes along the way can help you stay motivated and build momentum. Take time to acknowledge your progress and give yourself credit for your achievements. Remember, goal setting is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your dreams. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, breaking them down into smaller steps, and holding yourself accountable, you can create a roadmap for achieving your goals and living the life you want.